Yeah, I'd just like to hit on one thing more, and that's the safety issue. These mats are an inch thick. Typically, they are a trip hazard because they're being an inch thick. And that's why we have beveled and striped the edges, made them mark very well for visibility. The angle that we bevel them at is strictly for visibility. It's to make the visibility show even better. We could put a greater angle on there, but it would not really do a lot of good because whenever you rise up an inch, it is going to be a trip hazard, and the best safety in that respect is visibility. And for that reason, we're reluctant to suggest these be put in some occupations. Like I said before, everybody's work is unique. Their needs are different. Their concerns are different. And in some instances where people come and go at counters, let's say service counters, where they're carrying stuff in their hands and they don't see where they're walking, the same way in restaurants and stuff where waitresses are carrying plates and have their hands full of stuff where they can't watch where they're walking. So we don't recommend them for a few places, but primarily they're for fixed workstations where people spend more time standing. That's about the only thing that we really have to worry about. They do have a good reputation around chemicals. They have a good reputation in oils and greases. They wash easy. You can steam clean them, pressure wash them, hand cleaner. They'll tolerate most anything. They're used a lot in auto body shops where there's a lot of hot thinners and lacquers that they tolerate that pretty well. They also have a good reputation in the aircraft industry where they're subjected to a lot of Skydrol, which is the hydraulic oil that is very abusive to most mats. So with that, we would hope that everybody would examine their own situation and make sure that they get put in and safe. We really suggest that people try one. You bring one in and try it before you buy a lot of them. And make sure that they do serve you well before you invest in them.